Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Let's start. Red color.
1,
O-N-E 1.
2,
T-W-O 2.
3,
T-H-R-E-E 3.
4, FOUR 4, 5, FIVE 5, 6, SIX 6,
Green color.
7, SEVEN 7, 8, EIGHT 8, 9, NINE 9, 10, TEN 10, 11, ELVEN 11, 11, ELEVEN 11, 12, TWELVE 12,
Yellow color.
13,
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13.
14, FOURTEEN 14, 15,
FIFTEEN 15.
16,
SIXTEEN 16. 17,
SEVENTEEN 17,
18, EIGHTEEN 18.
blue color. 19, NINETEEN 19, 20,
TWENTY 20.
So kids, what we learned today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red color, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 green color, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 yellow color, 19, 20 blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, blue color.
So today we learn 1 to 20 counting. So kids, hope you like my videos.
So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.